Feeling overwhelmed? Like your thoughts are spiraling and you can't focus? What if I told you that just 5 minutes a day could bring you mental clarity and emotional strength, like a Stoic emperor? Welcome to Neural Nomad, where ancient wisdom meets modern clarity. Today, we'll explore how journaling, Marcus Aurelius style, can transform your inner world. The Stoics believed clarity begins with observation. That's why Marcus Aurelius wrote meditations, not for the world, but for himself. Here's how you can do the same. 1. Morning reflection. Ask yourself, what kind of challenges might I face today, and how can I meet them with wisdom? 2. Evening review. Before bed, write, what did I do well? What did I let disturb my peace? What will I improve tomorrow? Keep it simple. No lies, just truth. You're training your mind to observe without judgment, to respond, not react. Try this for 1 week and watch your self-awareness deepen. You don't need therapy. You need clarity. Subscribe for more Stoic insights and drop a like in the comments if you're starting your journaling journey today. Remember, you are not your thoughts, you are the observer, and the observer can always choose peace.